Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix and resolve MS Office error. The application was unable to start correctly 0xc0000142. So to resolve this problem, you have to follow these steps. Click on Start. So press Windows key plus R. Now type here appwiz.cpl. Then here click on OK. Now in this list you will see some applications. So select Microsoft Office, then click on Change, click on Yes. Now here you will see two options, Quick Repair or Online Repair. If you select this one, if you select this first one, so it will fix most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection. And if you select the second option, Online Repair, so it will fix all issues but take a little longer and require an internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you are still having problems after a quick repair. So firstly select this one and repair. Click on repair and complete this process. And if this method not work, so come again here and select this second one, Online Repair. So these are method guys, you can try to fix this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.